Morning guys, I'm here today to show you how to print a t-shirt. This right here is a direct-to-garment printer. Name of it is Anajet mPower mp5i. This is a direct-to-garment printer. This is the fastest printer on the market today. We've had this printer for about 2 years. My brother went out to California when we got it and did a week tutorial, basically a rundown learning how to do everything, and he's been able to teach me some of the things. This printer is not just a t-shirt printer or textile printer. Obviously it can print t-shirts like this one that we have here, but there's a wide range of materials that are able to be used, including wood, any type of wood really, as well as glass, so you can do stained glass, like a church window, as well as a mirror and metal. You're able to print on anything with this printer. It really is amazing. So we're just going to print a t-shirt. We have the t-shirt already laid in here. The program that we use on the computer is Anajet. This is only a PC software. So on this Mac we need to run Parallels to be able to use it. Right now we're just going to deal with an existing file. Existing files, when you save them, they need to be saved as a TIFF file, JPEG, or an LSNG file. Once you do that, the computer is hooked up to the printer via USB, and you're able to print directly from the printer without even using the computer. So one thing to check before you do print is you need to do a nozzle check. A nozzle check prints out of the printer before you go to print, and what it does is it checks the sharpness of the lines to make sure that everything is going to be good to print. So once you choose your t-shirt, these shirts are cotton. A lighter color makes your design pop more. Lighter color is also a lot easier to print on, and anything will clearly print on white, but once you get into a darker colored shirt like this brown one that I'm wearing, or a black shirt, you need to add pre-treatment. Pre-treatment adds a lot of time, and it's very easy to mess up on. The two options are using pre-treatment sheets, or you can use the spray. The spray is very chemical smelling, and you need high ventilation to be able to properly do this safely in the correct area. The pre-treatment sheets you can lay on, but they're also hard to work with. So this printing platform is 14 by 18 inches. We're going to print the whole thing, but if you went to the grid system on the computer, you would be able to align your image wherever you want it. Say you wanted to do a custom shirt pocket, or you wanted to print on the back neck of the shirt. Wherever you really want, anything is possible. So now we're ready to print. We did the pre-treatment. If we had to, we did their nozzle check. So you're going to come over to the printer. All of the options have been set. Some of these options are the speed at which the printer prints, the direction in which the printer head goes, whether it's signal or two-space, both ways, and the variable rate dot, which is the amount of ink that is released. So once you have all these set, the printer already has the file on the printer. We're just gonna simply press print. I laid this shirt in here to save some time. But when you put the shirt in, it's important that you want it to be all lined up properly. You measure from sleeve to sleeve, tag back, and make sure that everything is all lined up. So this will take maybe about a minute to print this shirt. Then I come over here. This is the next step. Right here, this is the heat press. This needs to be set around 350 degrees. We've had it on this morning, so it's already warmed up, so it won't take as much time. So what the heat press does is it seals the image onto the shirt after it's done printing. When doing this, it's very important to use a piece of parchment paper on top of your shirt and below the garment itself. What this does is this helps prevent the ink from smearing. You can press these as many times as you want. It's not going to cause any harm. So I'm going to press it again just while we wait for this printer to come out. This shirt is for a band named Twiddle. I highly recommend that everyone should go check them out. I'm about to go see them up in Burlington this weekend. It's going to be a great time. So go check out Twiddle. When the shirt's printing, you have to make sure that it's flat. If it's not flat, it won't actually print. There's a laser that reads the height of it, and if it's not set correctly, you'll need to make sure that the shirt is laid flat. We have a couple more seconds here. It's at 56% of the way. I'll come over here for now, and I'll show you what the heat press looks like after the shirt's printed. Take it off, and there you have a very nice t-shirt. Very high quality print. It's not like screen printing where you can rub it off, scratch it off, and it will crease over time. This ink is actually inked into here, so this shirt will last forever. As long as you keep it, you'll have a shirt. So with that, my friends, getting to the end of this shirt over here, I hope I've been able to explain and show you how to print a high quality t-shirt with the Anajet mPower mp5i direct to garment printer. We've been doing this for 2 years and look forward to the future. So if anyone needs any t-shirts, any printing, anything on wood, glass, mirror, metal, you name it, we're here to print it for you. My brother's a great artist. Anyone can reach out to me, and we'd love to do work with anyone. So thank you and have a great day.